This is an EP3. Hey my dudes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Then what we have planned for today is to fit my 16 Falk mag blue TE37s. For you guys that are not familiar with that rim, I did a reveal video during Christmas time. I'll just cut to that quickly. 16-inch Falk rays. So as you guys can pick up, this isn't just any color as well. These are the mag blue, which is also known as magnesium blue. So yeah guys, I randomly came across a set of tires at a fairly good price. So I'm going to fit the tires onto the rims, and then we can fit it onto the EG. There is a few, how can I say, adjustments that we'll most likely have to do, like maybe some camber, or maybe just the ride height, make it higher or lower. And then I most likely also have to roll my arches. But yeah, very spur of the moment vibe. I'm just waiting for Dane. He's going to come with me, and then we're going to fit the tires onto the rims, and then eventually we can fit the rims onto the EG. So let's get going. Okay guys, so me and Dane just got back from the tire shop. We got the tires all mounted to the wheels. This is what the wheels look like. So what we plan on doing right now is we might just fit only the one on this side. The reason for that is because my fenders aren't really rolled, so this is the only concern that we have. However, I do know that these tires are going to sit a little bit more in than these tires or these rims are currently on the car, but we might just fit them in future and then do it further adjustments in future. Okay guys, so we managed to put the rear wheel on. As you guys can see over here, it's touching. So what I do plan on maybe doing is cutting the section over here, which will allow me to basically lower the whole car, and I can basically lower it as much as I want, and maybe, how can I say, making the wheel more sunk. But what I really like is that there's no spaces actually needed. As you can see, the wheel sits very far out, and I'm actually very happy with what fitment is going to look like. It's just very unfortunate that my car has never been rolled before, because obviously I am the second owner and it's basically untouched. And then also we just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison between the two heights as well as the meat as well. So as you can see here, this wheel is way more thinner than this one. So I'm very much happy with that as well. So we're just going to fit the front wheel now and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the front looks like. I'm actually very surprised how great the fitment actually is. We are touching over here, but like I mentioned before, my fenders have never been rolled, so I was very concerned about keeping the same ride height, which I really wanted, and it looks like I can keep the same ride height. I just need to do some further, how can I say, aligning, and obviously a few adjustments. Maybe cut off the fender liner, maybe tuck it in a little bit. I think Dane said that he can tuck this on the inside So myself and Dane is going to link up tomorrow and do some further adjustments. We can't go for a test drive. The front, maybe we can go for a test drive with the front being like this, but I'm really actually concerned on this area over here. But definitely in the rear is a no-go. This little lip over here is touching the tire, but we're not quite sure what we are going to do. Obviously if you roll arches, there's a strong chance that the paint might crack. So what we might do is maybe just cut it from here and then go on the inside, and then just maybe make a very clean cut with a Dremel. That way we can tuck the wheel in, because as you can see over here, if I cut it over here, this whole section can basically drop over the tire. But overall, if you guys can look at the tires, how far the tire actually sits out, so no spaces are needed, nothing. I would say that the fitment is very good. We just need to do alignment on our end. So I'm going to end off the section of the video right here, and then I'll link up with Dane, and then we'll do further adjustments, and then we'll go for a test drive as well. Hope you guys are excited as I am, and if you guys are enjoying what the EG looks like already, please do give this video a thumbs up. Hello guys, so I'm back at Dane. Obviously I have the EG with me over here. Let me just show you guys what the EG currently looks like before we put on the forks. So this is my current fitment. I'm actually very happy with what these spoons look like already on the car. But as you guys can see, the spoon lip is very low. It scrapes everywhere. The bottom of the car scrapes as well. That's why I'm actually very excited to have a bigger wheel on with bigger tires, so that the car sits higher in general. But anyway, what we're about to do right now is we're going to cut the section off over here, so the wheels can fit in the arch basically, and then we're going to do some further adjustments here as well, so that obviously the wheel can tuck in as well. So yeah, this is currently what the EG looks like. So we're going to do that right now so we can fit the forks. Okay guys, so this is how far we got, and the excitement is actually really kicking in. Let me just show you guys all the space that we actually have. I can literally fit my whole hand in over here, so we can actually go lower, and you guys can see how clean this cut is. Looks like the body was supposed to be like this. To be honest with you, I think this is way more better than actually rolling your arches, because you can see how much gap I actually have here. So yeah, like I was saying, the excitement is kicking in. It's telling Dane we might even go lower. So yeah, we're going to start on the other side now. My Dremel unfortunately dies very easily, but we can use the grinder. But the progress is looking very good. Yo guys, so I just have to pause the video because we have a very special person over here. You guys obviously know VAD Productions. Me and him actually come very long on. So he actually just came to fetch a set of headlights. So this is obviously the set of headlights. For you guys that do not know, his car was actually kind of knocked. So he's just going to fix it up. So you guys can move over to his channel and check out the progress on his car. But as you guys know, we are busy with the EG, so we just got Zaid here that popped in. So I just thought I'd pause the video and show you guys who popped in here. Okay guys, so we finished up the driver's side as well. What we did pick up when we were cutting is that this fender, or should I say quarter panel, basically has a double plate. So what we're going to do is add some Sikaflex on the inside just for some waterproofing purposes, and then once that sets, we're going to add some paint for rust purposes. So Dane is just going to do that, and then we can move over to the front. Action.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna aim to put the Sikaflex in all the gaps between the double plates.
And then I also see you put some tape over here.
Tape here so that we don't dirty the paint along the edge that I'm gonna be working.
So in other terms, you're just going to basically fill the inside gaps.
Yeah, the inside here by the double plate.
Awesome. Okay guys, so while Dane is busy with the arches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this little small section over here, which won't be noticeable, and then this little area over here that might just knock against the wheel. Okay guys, so I'm all done cutting the bumper. As you can see, we cut the top section over here and then the bottom section over there as well, and then this is what the other side looks like. I just use a file to kind of smoothen it out as well. Okay guys, so we're going to start with the front over here. Dane is just going to quickly explain what we're going to do. I apologize for how the wheels obviously look. As you guys know, this car basically stands the most of the time. But anyway, what were you saying, Dane?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the fender liner and then we're gonna tuck it inside the fender so there's no pressure on the fender liner basically. So
and then are we gonna roll, kind of slightly roll the arches as well?
The tabs,
only on the inside.
You see, I don't know if you can see the tab over here.
Okay.
That
so just that we're gonna kind of press it.
Yeah, we're gonna bend it up.
Okay guys, so we came across our first encounter. As you can see over here, the wheel is turned and it's knocking over here. So I don't even think if we roll the arches if it's going to help. If I turn, maybe take a pin and the wheel maybe hits up, it will definitely damage the whole fender. So we are gonna have to maybe raise the car a little bit, unfortunately, maybe just a centimeter or so. Is a little bit of a bomber, but it is what it is. Okay guys, and another thing we might just have to do is maybe just cut this little section over here straight. That's the only thing that we really need to do, because I feel like it might hit over there. But yeah, we're gonna lift it up and then just cut the section on both sides and we'll basically be clear. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done with the EG. While Dane was actually just lifting the front a little bit, I just went right around the whole car with some red paint that we had from the EK, and obviously did the inside over here like I mentioned. Okay guys, so this is what the EG looks like. This is the ride. There was a slight bit of rubbing, but Dane said that will basically fix itself as we drive on. It's cool how actually the blue actually shines even at night. It's a very subtle type of blue. I would say like a subtle type of flex, seeing that it is mag blue. Car is however extremely dirty. The last time we washed it was slammed at the lake, so I can't wait to actually wash it. The car doesn't look insane. But yeah, other than that, car drives pretty good, besides a little bit of rubbing here and there. Hey my dudes, so I'm just going to interrupt this video quickly just to let you guys know that today we will be making a big investment. The investment I would say is close to another car's money as well. And I just thought I'd make this video and tag you guys along, because this investment will obviously have an influence on you guys as well. But anyway, I'm gonna get going and then I'll show you guys what the new investment is. Okay guys, so I just arrived at home, and as you guys have seen, the new investment is an iPhone 13 Pro. It's also a 1TB iPhone 13. So for you guys that do not know, iPhone does not allow you to put a memory card in, and they push up the price based off the size of the phone. So 1TB iPhone 13 Pro prices around 36k, which is the price of a 160i or even a 180i EK. So I kind of took a big bang, but in future it's obviously a good investment for filming purposes as well as for business purposes as well. I now have a terabyte, so I don't have any reason for not filming or anything. So yeah, let me show you guys what the phone looks like. So this is the phone. I think the color is called graphite or something to that effect. What I also got was a cover for the cameras as well as a cover for the front screen. Also got a cover for the actual phone itself. And then for you guys that do not know, Apple does not give you a charger or adapter. So I had to actually get this as well, but the tech shop gave me a very good deal. So let's just change over to the new phone. So yeah guys, hope you guys like the new investment. So hopefully moving forward all the videos will be a little bit better. I know I do have a few old videos that are lined up and has been filmed with my previous phone, but moving forward every video that I basically film will be now with the new phone, and hopefully I'll be able to get some better videos for you guys. And then I just want to say a massive thanks to the tech shop for assisting me. They've been very helpful and they gave me a very good deal. So please go check them out, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Hey guys, so I just arrived to the car wash. It's a pretty cool wash. There's some seating over here, and then that's the prices over there. And then this is basically the wash bay. So on the inside as well, there's actually a service center, but I'll show you guys that in a short bit as well. Okay guys, so we finished up with the car wash. As you guys can see, the car is all spotless. If you guys are wondering where this car wash is, it is situated on Delarey. That's Delarey over there basically, on the way to Paro. And then there's a Caltex here, there's also the service center over there, and then the car wash is over there. So if you guys are interested in a car wash, please pull through, mention that Wong sent you, and then your car can be as clean as mine. So yeah, we're just going to head over to Dane and drop off the Mugen wing. Guys, so I just arrived at Dane and this is what the EG looks like, all cleaned up. I was almost going to say this is the end result of the faults, but Dane actually in the background told me so, because there's so many things that we still need to do. So one of the things I do want to address is that we definitely need to do our brake calipers as well as a brake disc. I think we're going to go with ventilated brake disc, as that is something that I can offer as well. But other than that, I'm pretty much happy with the outcome of what the wheels look like. What we also maybe plan on doing is maybe adding some tire lettering to give it more that aggressive look like the spoons gave the car. But what I really like is the color. So as you guys can see, it kind of shines very blue in the sunlight. But if you move around, you can see that it actually shines very dark, or basically black in other words. So yeah, we are pretty much happy with this. What we do plan on doing in the near future is maybe adding a rear camber kit in the back, because I do have one in front, just to dial in the fitment a little bit. But like I told you guys in the previous section of the video, I'm really happy with how the wheels actually stand out in the fitment. So you can see over here, as well as the fronts, so it stands very much out without any spaces or any adjustments. So we're pretty much happy with that. And then this is the Mugen wing that Dane plans on spraying. It's for a Nighthawk FN2. I think the guys from Booster, if I'm not mistaken. So he's going to prep it, and then in a week the customer will come and have it sprayed. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think of the mag blue faults. The spoons will always be there and we'll always have the spoons, but I just wanted this for a different look, and I think that 16s is a different ball game in terms of, I can say, fitment and a lot of different things. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up.